Hey James, this is Mr. Caslin. Thought I'd check out trying to make a video and show you a little bit more of the substitution method. Substitution method is for a system of equations. A system of equations is just a fancy way to say more than one equation. So you're looking for the ordered pair that is a solution to this equation and this equation. All right, so in the substitution method, we need one of these equations to say x is equal to some expression or y is equal to some expression. Doesn't matter which one, we just need one of these situations. X is equal to something or y is equal to something. Okay, none of these equations are in that format, but we can get them in that format. What I would do is look at your four variables. Do any of them have a 1 as a leading coefficient? Looks like this is a good choice here. So we want to get this then into x is equal to some number or some expression. Okay, to do that, we would subtract 2y from both sides of this equation. Excuse me, I'm running with a mouse, which I'm still not real good at yet. Okay, these would cancel. You'd get x is equal to negative 5 minus 2y, or also known as negative 2y minus 5. Okay, so all we did was take that equation and put it into that form. X is equal to some expression. Okay, now remember what substitution means. It means if you see an x in the other equation, substitute it with this expression. Okay, so we come down to our other equation. We have a 4x, so substitute all of this. When I say all of this, that means use parentheses. Substitute all of this into x minus 3y is equal to 2. So what we've done is now we have an equation with one variable, just y, so we can solve for y. So we would then distribute now. We would get negative 8y, distribute the 4 here, get negative 20 minus 3y is equal to 2. Okay, so these are on the same side, negative 8y, negative 3y. Combine those like terms into a negative 11y minus 20 is equal to 2. We're trying to get y by itself. Add 20 to both sides. Adding 20 here would cancel that. Adding 20 over here would give you a negative 11y is equal to 22. Trying to solve for y, so we divide by negative 11. So this gives us a y is equal to negative 2. Be careful here. A lot of students will think, oh, I got y is equal to negative 2. I'm done. I've solved this algebra equation. Well, remember, you're looking for the solution to a system of equations. The answer is going to be a point. Remember, these are two lines that intersect. They're going to intersect at an x location and a y location. Oops. Close parentheses, and then what we've done is we've found the y location. We've found that y is equal to negative 2. All right, we still need to find the x location. So we're going to substitute again. Okay, we're going to take our y is equal to negative 2 and substitute it back into either of these equations. It doesn't matter which one. Okay, I'm going to substitute it back into the first one. I get x plus 2 times negative 2 is equal to negative 5. Now again, we have one variable, we can solve for it. X is equal to, x minus 4, let's multiply those, is equal to negative 5. Okay, to get rid of this negative 4 and get x by itself, I would have to add 4 to both sides. So adding 4 cancels these. Adding 4 here gives you an x is equal to negative 1. So now we've finished off our ordered pair. Our ordered pair and our final answer is negative 1, negative 2. This is a point on the graph that is the intersection of these two lines. It is a solution to both of these equations. So you could check your work. You could go in here and say substitute with negative 1 into x plus 2 times negative 2. Again, sorry about my writing, but get the idea here. It's going to be negative 4 plus negative 1 is negative 5, so that would check. And I'll take the same point, plug it back into here. We get 4 times negative 1, which is negative 4. Now negative 3 times negative 2 is a positive 6. So negative 4 plus 6 would give you a positive 2. So what we've done is the check step. We've checked them into both equations, and that's true. That's the intersection of those two lines, also known as the solution to a system of equations. All right. Hope this helps. Again, the power of videos is that if you didn't catch everything the first time, you can go back and watch the video as many times as you like. See you next time.